my name is Spencer, and today I'm going to show you a super cool DIY inspired by my favorite TV show, Mysticons. We're going to make a Choko Piñata. Choko is a furry, cute little creature, and he's literally my favorite. He is fiercely loyal to Zarya and the rest of the Mysticons, but sometimes he gets them in trouble.
You were supposed to be keeping watch.
So the first thing I'm gonna do is blow up my balloon. Don't blow it up as big as it can blow up. Just blow it up 70%. I think that's good. And if you can tie it, tie it. If not, you could ask someone to tie it. I'm pretty positive I'm a balloon tire professional. And now I'm gonna grab a little elastic here, and I'm just gonna put it around the balloon to get the Choko shape. Like that. So cute.
Who's a cute little Foz? Yes, you are. Fuzzy wuzzy.
Now, I am going to make my paper mache mix. So I've got some water in a bowl here, and I'm just gonna dump some glue into my water. Oh, that looks awesome. And I'm just gonna mix it together. It kind of looks like milk, but don't drink it. And I've got my newspaper already cut out. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves, and then I'm just gonna put my newspaper in my paper mache mix. And then I'm just gonna put it onto my balloon to start that piñata. Make sure you cover the whole entire balloon. When you're placing all your strips of paper mache, make sure you leave a hole at the top so then you have room to put your candy in your piñata.
Nighty-night, little C.
Okay, so now I have this balloon that has dried overnight, and I'm gonna cut out some tissue paper to make a piñata furry effect. I'm gonna cut out a strip about 1.5 inches thick. So there's a bunch of layers here, so I was really efficient. I cut a bunch at the same time. And then I'm just gonna cut little cuts in it about halfway up, so that will give it like the furry piñata effect. So now I've got a strip, and I'm just gonna get some of this paper mache mix, and I'm just gonna do like little dots on here to get it wet. And then starting at the bottom, I'm just gonna place this. And then just add more of your paper mache mix wherever it's like not sticking. And just keep repeating it until you have your whole entire balloon filled up. Okay, so now I have my balloon completely covered in this fuzzy effect, and it has dried overnight, and now I just gotta pop my balloon. So I'm gonna grab some scissors, and I'm gonna pull the balloon up and then just cut it. Now I've got my construction paper, and Choko needs some eyes and ears, so I'm gonna cut some out. So I've got my pink paper here, and I need to start with like the base of his eyes. Doesn't have to be perfect, it's just a DIY. And we also need eyes. And then just use that as a reference for the other one, just so that the eyes are kind of the same size. So now Choko needs ears. I'm gonna need 2 white ones and 2 brown ones. And I can just use it as a stencil for everything else. Just using our glue, we're going to glue these together. I'm just gonna glue these eyes on. And then Choko needs a nose, so I'm just gonna draw just like an oval here for the nose, and then the mouth is just like this. And then his eyes, I'm just gonna draw around on here. I'm just gonna use a silver here. And then I'm just gonna repeat the exact same thing on the other eye. It's gonna look awesome. But then Choko has a belly. Okay, so now I have everything cut out and glued together, and now I just need to glue it onto my piñata. Try to gently press it onto here because you don't want to break your piñata. And it can be helpful if you just like push from the inside of your piñata as well. So I'm just gonna fold over part of the ear so then I have somewhere to put the glue on. I'm just gonna press it on. Oh, that looks so cute.
I think someone needs a cookie.
So now I have my piñata fully assembled, but I need to put the candy inside. So if you're going to be smashing your piñata outside, make sure you use some wrapped candy. We got some candy in our piñata, but now we need to attach a string so that we can hang up our piñata before we smash it. So So now I'm just gonna make a little hole on the side here. Then I'm gonna make a hole on the other side. So I'm just gonna feed this string through that hole. I'm just gonna pull this up as well, so it's kind of like doubled. And I'm gonna do a little knot here. And then now, I've got a little handle here. And now that you've got a handle, you can hang your piñata and then you can smash it. So that is how to make a Choko piñata.